Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Gijoe, wild schemes on your screen. Action figures, clothes, and GA customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.
Hey, good morning, GI Customs here. Doing something a little different this week. So we got the release of new products. I got two coming out today. I did switch out What's New Wednesday for this Friday. I wanted to keep everything together. Also, honestly, I was still working on things, so needed to do something different. But without further ado, I'm doing this as a pre-recorded live kind of setup right now because what I got going is difficult to set up like I normally do a What's New Wednesday. So we're going to do it as a PDF slideshow so I can show you all the pictures and kind of talk about it and go over it. I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking this out. Definitely go to the website and check these out as well. So without further ado, I've got two new things. One is the full redesign of the rails. So the top rails, I'm calling these Defense Rails 2.0. Now, at first, you might not see much difference here outside of a little design change, but they are completely modular now. So you can take the sides off. Actually, you can take the front off too if that's the way you want to roll with them. I opened up the back for more access for the ladder so you can move it around more instead of stuck in one spot. And then each side rail is separate. Again, so is the front. They will arrive in separate pieces, so you'll have to assemble them a little bit. But that way, I also, right now, there isn't as many options, but there will be more color options and stuff in the future as well. Since I can do two separate colors now, not all one color, so it makes them a little more interesting. This is going to be really cool, and this actually came from an idea from a customer. So there you can see both sides you can take off. It gives you a lot of different options for things to do. Again, this modular fortress or fortification, I think, is what Hasbro called it. Why not make things more modular to go with them? So I was playing around with some different setups. So this you'll actually see. So this was the customer's idea. Is he wanted a bridge between, so he could have a walkway or catwalk between the two fortifications. That's kind of what spurred all this on. I made the bridge first and then kind of figured out that, well, the bridge going straight into the side of a rail with no way to get around didn't make any sense. So everything got redesigned. These came out really cool. Again, this is just one setup I was messing with where I put a bridge on each side. My thought was if somebody only had one modular fortification, how could they make use of a double bridge order? So this is what I came up with. You can't close off the sides right now unless you have something else there, but you could attach a ladder to the side or anything like that, so guys could go up and down the ladders. Really cool. This is the Cobra version. So right now, if you order the Cobra or Navy version, this is what it'll be: is navy rails and gray flooring. Just some different angles of the same thing. And then here's the Joe version. So if you order an army green and gray, which is one of the three options that are up there right now, this is the version that you'll get with that. So a green floor kind of brings some of that army green back into a fortification that doesn't have a lot of army green on it, in my opinion. And you'll be able to add in, or the tops will be gray. So again, kind of went over. I just pulled every photo I took so we can go over it in this video. So you can see it from the back there, how you have an extra lip so you can attach the ladder right there on the actual roof of the fortification. That was something a customer had asked as well. Just some more pictures of the rails. Here's an interesting setup I was messing with. What if you have two fortifications, you ordered two rails but no bridges? Could you make something out of that? And yeah, if you take the inside out of each one, then you can kind of make one big platform, which is kind of interesting and cool. That there's going to be so many different variations and options here that I think some guys are going to be able to come up with some really cool stuff I've never even thought of. Here's one. So this actually, you can buy all of this outside of the fortifications themselves. As I believe I called this the full kit. So you get 2 rails, so two full rails, one for top of each system, and then you get the double bridge in the middle, and that actually comes with those connectors you see in the middle there that are vertical, that have the little bolts on them. Those I put on there. They just kind of hook over the rails and connect those two center pieces, hold them together a little better, but then also cover up that gap that would be there, make it look more purposeful. So it'll come with those, and actually, there's a picture in here. I don't know if it's next or not, but there's actually also a connector underneath to kind of help the two bridges where they come together instead of sagging in the middle. It'll actually connect them and keep them straight. All those attach the connector and the vertical post that you see underneath there holding that bridge up. And you saw in other ones, those come with the bridge. They are different than the ones I've had on the site before because they needed to be a little taller. So they'll come with the bridge. Right now, I don't have those where you can buy them separate. But I'll probably actually, now that I say that, I'll probably add that here pretty quick. Or you can buy a couple extra of those extra tall risers or the extra tall supports if you need to. But you'll be able to buy this as a full kit. So you'll have everything you see here outside of the modular fortifications from Hasbro themselves. And it comes with all the extra rails that are missing, like the gaps here where they're missing. Those come with it. So if you have a different setup in mind, they are full sets. But you can get those in either color. And I don't have any pictures of it, in all black. Everything black, no two colors. I had a lot of people ordering black ones. So I'll have that as an option as well. I just don't have any pictures of it. There's an above one, a picture with some figures, so you can kind of see, I'm not the best at setting things up and making them dynamic like some of the amazing photographers out there, but wanted you guys to see it with some scale, and don't mind the little rail on the left there that I didn't notice as I was moving things around, fell out of place a little bit. And I messed around a little bit, and this was quick, so that doesn't look fantastic. But the doors underneath, I was trying to see if you could set those up. Absolutely. I was working in a real small space for this, so I was having a hard time getting to everything and take pictures all at the same time. But you can put doors underneath, which is really cool. So you can kind of set up your own blockade. This one, I have 2 of the smaller doors off to the side, and then a hatch on the one side. I've had it on my Patreon as a full door. I am going to bring that to the shop here, I believe. So you can order just a full space door, if that makes sense. So it's like a blank wall, but it's got connectors just on one side, so you can use them as two big doors underneath here. Those look pretty cool. So you could just do a really big entrance. Just some more photos and stuff I did mess around with here. So here's a bridge on the back. So to kind of extend the back of it, there's a better shot of it. So I only did one, but I mean, you could make full circle enclosures, square enclosures if you've got more of the fortifications, or even if you don't, if you just buy a bunch of bridges and corners and stuff and put them up there, you could use them with the supports. And I mean, you could build it as big as you want. Your imagination and your creativity is kind of the end of it. So send me pictures. I'd love to see the things that people come up with. The stuff I've already seen with my first rails and risers that I've done before. I've already seen stuff that guys have done with those that I never would have thought of. So I think that's really cool. So if you end up getting some of these and doing some cool stuff that I don't show here, tag me in some posts, send me some pictures, whatever it is. I'll make sure to reshare or share them if you're emailing them to me or something like that. Here's just a back picture again, showing that where you can connect the ladder. Thought that was important to show people that you can still connect that in there without any issue. It's a close up of the little connectors there. They clip in. Again, it helps the rails be a little more stable as they go across, but also hides that gap, so it's not so obvious that there's a big gap there. but still allows you to take them apart. That just comes right off. So if you don't want to, if you ordered a double set and your setup doesn't, the way you're setting it up, you don't use two, you only use one, no problem. You just unhook that, use it somewhere else, whatever you might want to do. Really cool stuff. It's just messing with some different things. So here's if you order a double bridge, this is everything that you'll get. The two I keep calling them risers, they're not risers, two supports, two bridge panels, four different handrail sections, and then the two connectors and the bottom connector, which I think maybe should be, yeah, there we go. So that's a picture of the bottom connector. It uses the same little pegs that the post will, the supports. So you can take that on or off. It goes on pretty tight to keep that nice and rigid, but you can take it off. I've taken them on and off a few times now, but you can pop them on and off, no problem. Again, this will all come separate pieces, so it'll be real nice to put together however it is you want to put together. Single bridge, it'll still come with two supports, so it can support itself. I wouldn't put, a figure all the way out to the end on this, but with those little feet on the vertical pillars, it will support itself like that. So you don't have to worry about, leaning up against something or it falling over specifically. But it is meant to go up against something. Just some loose shots. Again, all these are on the website. These are the pictures I used to make the images on the website. So these are the more or less unedited ones. So yeah, here's everything that comes with the single bridge, the double bridge. There's all the pieces separate. And then you got the full kit, I think is what I called it. So it comes with everything you saw there. So two risers, two bridge sections, and all the pieces and rails that come with either of those. There's a single rail parts, and then same thing with the Cobra version of the Navy version. So same sets. And that's all the slides. This was a really fun project because I had kind of wanted to redesign these for a while now, but I didn't have the time, didn't have people asking me to do it. So when the bridges came up, it was the perfect time and excuse, I guess, to spend the time doing it. I think this is a much better version of the rails. Still is close enough to design and everything. All the horizontal bars on there match up to the old ones. So if you had some of the 1.0s, let's call them, this will still go in that same world, no problem. They'll match up. You just won't be able to remove the rails on those. So everything's similar enough that it'll go with those if you already have them. Even the bridges will work with those. You don't have to buy the rails, the 2.0 rails, but they'll work better from like extending the back where there's an opening than the side. But it whatever works for your setup, they're still the same height and all that kind of stuff. That being said, the rail 1.0 is gone. Actually, I take that back. Today, there's going to be just a few on there. I've got them on a deep discount of just what I have in stock. So there's almost nothing, but I did have a few extras printed. I do my best to try to have some to ship out quick. So whatever I have in stock right now, I'm going to put up there. It'll be, I believe it's going to be half off. So there's only a few. So if that's something you want to grab or something, get up there and get them quick. Because once they're gone, they're gone. Anything on the site that currently shows Rails 1.0 that comes with it, like the bundle, the rails and the risers that go underneath these, anything like that, even if the pictures don't show it, will come with the Rails 2.0. I will update the pictures as I go. I just didn't have time to do all of them. But anything that shows the Rail 1.0 as part of a kit or part of a set will actually come with the Rail 2.0 as the rail piece instead. Right now, the risers are still 1.0. I probably will redo those, but I like that those are one piece since they're underneath and supporting weight. It just makes them sturdier. And so if I can figure that out, I will redesign those as well. But right now, those are still going to be as they were. Like I said, I'll probably put up more supports So you can order some extra supports if you need to or want to as part of your setup. But hopefully everyone likes this. Let me know your comments and take on these. I'll at some point I'll do a little video. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory of how these go together, but maybe I'll do a little video if people want of how to put them together and mess with them. Said it's pretty self-explanatory. They plug in where you expect them to plug in, down by the bottom of the rails, and yeah, there's not much, there's no trick to it or anything. But if people are having issues or anything like that, I'll make a video. Said the only reason I didn't do that as I normally would, or What's New Wednesday, is these setups were just too big. I wanted to make sure to show these setups, and I wouldn't be able to do that on my little table that behind me that I usually do. So I wanted to do something different, something special for these. Thanks again for the ideas. Keep them coming. If you've got ideas for different things or how to change or improve things, send them to me. 90% of the stuff I've designed myself on my site has come from customers asking and making suggestions and asking for different things. Can't do everything. There's been a lot of great suggestions out there that I just can't get to, but stuff like this, I'll do my best. Any suggestion, I'm adding a list, making a list. I just don't have time to get to everything, but keep them coming, because you never know what that one thing is that a bunch of people might want as well. And I'll do my best to get it up there for you. So I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your week and weekend. And let me know if you've got any questions, but enjoy the Rail 2.0.
Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's New Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. While schemes on your screen, action figures closing